Hello, fiber friend. I'm Evie and I make yarn. I go by Jillian Eve on my blog, my YouTube channel, and other social media, where you'll find me creating tutorials that are informative, comprehensive, and occasionally hilarious. When I started spinning over a decade ago, I lived very, very far out in the country. Miles of dirt roads to get to my house. And there was no one nearby who spun. I had to teach myself how to spin through reading a lot of books, mail order videos, and what few YouTube tutorials they were at that time. My goal when I started YouTube has always been to create the kind of tutorials I wish I could have had when I was beginning my own spinning journey. And now I'm excited to announce that I am starting a Patreon. Through Patreon and your patronage, I will be able to continue offering those free tutorials on YouTube. And as a huge thank you for your patronage, I will be able to also offer bonus content through Patreon. This bonus content will include spinning printables, behind-the-scenes footage, bloopers, something I'm very excited about, the vlogging of my journey to complete my Certificate of Excellence in Hand Spinning from the Handweavers Guild of America. And for the highest tiers, I'm also offering one-on-one spinning lessons with me through Skype. Find a tier with bonuses that speak to you, and let's spin up some great content. Thank you so much for your support from the bottom of my heart. Happy spinning!